Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. Comparing a is equals 17 power 18 plus 1 over 17 power 19 plus 1 and b equals 17 power 17 plus 1 over 17 power 18 plus 1. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting video. And now, we go to the solution together. Okay, to compare this and this, now I use this. We have A equals 17 power 18 plus 1 over 17 power 19 plus 1. We see this 17 and it's 17, it is 18 and it's 19. So 18 is smaller than 19. So if we use the smaller in overs and the bigger in the under, so we get the fraction is smaller than 1. So that if this smaller than 1, I can write 17 power 18 plus 1 over 17 power 19 plus 1 is smaller than 17 power 18 plus 1 plus 16. And in the below, we also get 17 power 19 plus 1 plus 16. And this 16 plus 1, we get 17. So if we get 17 power 18 plus 1 over 17 power 19 plus 1 is smaller than 17 powers 18 plus 17 and over 17 power 19 plus 17, and we get 17 power 18 plus 1 over 17 power 19 plus 1 is smaller than d. We take 17 in our averages, so we get 17 multiplied 17 power 17 plus 1 over 17 multiplies 17 power 18 plus 1. So this 17 and 17 we simplify it. So we get this A is smaller than this equal B. We get smaller than B. Is our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget like and share the video for more exciting videos. Goodbye.